guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Today we are going to be making a dessert with ice cream. Can you guess it? You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you said a brownie and ice cream, you are kind of correct. But if you said a Pizookie, you are totally correct. Let's get started. The ingredients is in the description down below. Ding! The first step to do is preheat the oven to 400 degrees. I've already done that. Next, put 1 cup of butter. And now, put 1/4 cup of white sugar. The third step, 1 cup of brown sugar. Ooh, that's some smoke. Oh. That was a big plop. And then mix it. Dun, dun, dun. Mix it till it's creamy. Now that it's creamy, kind of like this, we are gonna put 2 eggs of eggs. Oh, plop, plop. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And mix it again. Now that the wet ingredients are done, we will put the dry ingredients. So put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Dun dun dun. Do 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 do. And this here is 2 cups of flour. And put 1 teaspoon of salt. And mix it with these little green floppy thingy. Now that it's mixed, we are gonna put this dry mixture thingy inside this wet mixture thingy. So you have to turn it on and put it in slowly while it's going. So put the rest in. We're just gonna shove it in. Mix it till a dough forms. Now that this is done, we are gonna put the chocolate chips in. It's fine if you can eat it. I'm the chocolate monster. Nom nom. Chocolate. And mix it. Oh, again, it's done. That's enough. And I'm gonna put this in this cast iron skillet or non-stick thingy. And I'm gonna use this to take it out. I think that's enough. Told you. And spread it out, I guess. I'm gonna just Spread it out. Let me make some design. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, and do you see this bad boy? This had such few ingredients. And you don't even have to pay for it because you can make your own homemade bad boy Pizookie. And it will be delicious. Now I'm gonna cook the Pizookie for 15. How much is 15? 15 to 20 minutes. So, and you'll need golden edges and a soft mildew. So see you in 15 to 20 minutes. Now I took it out of the oven and I topped it up with some ice cream. And let's see how it tastes. Let's see. That was so good. You have to try this. It tastes so good. Easy, homemade Pizookie. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Bye!